So this is the bike in question. It's a 1995 Virago 535. I've had it since new. It's got about 70,000 kilometers on it. It's been incredibly reliable. Unfortunately, I had to leave it parked for 3 years recently, and when I came to start it up, even with fresh fuel and battery, it would not come up tick over. Also needed new tyres and an MOT, so I trusted it to a local workshop. After a week or so, it came back with new tyres on, the battery, and running on one cylinder, even though it got a past MOT. Go figure. So I started to spec the fuel system, ordered a new fuel filter, got the wrong one. Should be 9, they sent me an 8. So even today, I'm still running on the original fuel filter. I think that fuel filter is 26 years old. Check the diaphragms. That's always an issue. Still running on one cylinder. Front cylinder doesn't get warm at all. Find out that the front pilot screw has been screwed down and is totally seized. So buy a left-handed drill and drill that out. Definitely would have been better to do it with a off the bike and in rather than at the side of the road in a workshop. But I did manage to get the seized pilot screw out. We can see it here. Order a new one. Just the pilot screw cost me 20 euros from Germany. I ordered a refurbishment kit for both carbs from China for 15 euros. You live and learn. So then I cleaned the carbs thoroughly with carb cleaner, taking out the slow running jets and everything from in here. Had I looked more closely at this, I could have saved myself a lot of time. There's the clue. More about that later. So then I noted that the air inlet rubbers were not seated properly. So I thought, air leak. I found the problem. So I seated those properly, still not working. So I began to suspect the electrical system, started measuring all the resistances, pickup coils, primary and secondary, all checked out well. There's the plugs, the back one, nice colour, the front one, sooty. Then I got the kit. I found in the kit that arrived that the needle jets were identical, whereas removing the needle jets from the bike, I saw one was a 9 and one was a 10. I found in a German forum which one goes to which cylinder, and mine were wrong. So I changed them around, thinking now once again, I found the problem. Still terrible backfires, frightening dogs and pedestrians. But the fact that the needles were the wrong order round gave me an inkling that maybe everything with the jets were not right. So what I did was I looked at those main jets, which I showed you earlier, and on the right, the rear carb, we can see I have a 135, but on the front carb, a 70. So you see there's quite a difference in the diameter of that jet. So then I went to the air intake side that you can only see from when the carbs are removed. I have a 70 on that side and a 135 on that side. So the workshop willy-nilly took all the jets out and just put them back in any order. Changed those round to a 135 as a main jet and putting that 70 back, and the bike is running sweet as a nut. So I just thought I'd put that together, and hopefully it might help another Virago 535 owner. Thanks for watching.